Thanks so much, Sarah. Okay, we are about to brighten your week by giving away some fantastic prizes.
Ah, I'm excited. You guys, next to us is our gorgeous Beauty and the Box set piece. Behind these numbered boxes is lots and lots of loot. 25 fabulous products that one of you has a chance to win.
We've been asking you to email if you want to play with us, and right now we've got a FabFitFun member on video chat. Hi, Liz. Hi. How's it going up there in British Columbia?
A little drizzly today, but it's not bad.
I bet.
Okay, yeah.
Probably a little cooler than it is down here in LA.
Yeah, Liz, we hear that you're pregnant with your second baby.
Yay! Congratulations.
5 months? Oh my gosh. Wait, so what's the due date?
March 12th.
Oh,
March 12th.
spring baby.
Do you know if it's a boy or girl?
No, it's a surprise again. Our first one was a surprise, and I loved it. So we're going to do it again.
I love that.
That's
That's
so
so fun. Oh my
Wow.
gosh. Okay,
Oh,
Liz.
wait, that is patience.
That is patience. I don't think I could do it,
No,
to be
I
honest.
don't know. Liz, you're a trooper.
Okay,
Okay.
Liz, we want to set you up for success here. Here's how this game works. We're going to rapid fire trivia questions to you. You'll have 2 minutes to answer as many questions as possible. When the 2 minutes are up, you will hear this sound.
The object of the game is to get as many questions right as possible. The number you answer correctly determines how many boxes you get to pick. If you get stuck on a question, just say pass. Get out of there.
Liz, if you've been watching, you know there's a twist
Yes.
to Beauty in the Box. Next to me is a mystery prize. Okay, Liz, you can swap out all your winnings in exchange for this mystery prize or not.
Is what's in here better than what you won? Maybe or maybe not.
We don't
it's
know.
Tough.
How are you feeling about all this, Liz?
Oh, good. I'm excited.
Okay,
my
have
gosh.
you been studying up on your pop culture trivia to prepare for today? A little bit?
Fine.
It's already just, you know it. It's
You know
already
it.
just in you.
Soaked in. All right, Liz, you ready to play Beauty in the Box? You guys, I've got my gorgeous stopwatch here. I'm gonna put 2 minutes. Here we go. This is gonna be really quick. And remember, just say pass if you don't know the answer. Okay, ready? Go.
What is the name of the fashion doll created by Mattel?
Pass.
Pass.
Okay,
It was Barbie.
Actress Sarah Hyland is currently dating which former Bachelorette contestant?
Pass.
There. Wells Adams.
This CBS reality competition series is hosted by Jeff Probst.
Oh, I know this one.
You know, it's like you make a connection, like you're off, get out of here.
What'd you,
Is it right?
what'd you say, Liz?
What'd you say?
The Amazing Race?
No.
No, that's okay.
Survivor.
This actress has been nominated for 21 Academy Awards. You know this. She's in everything. She
If she's older or younger?
she's older and she made a hard choice. Some might even call it a very hard choice. That's a hard one.
Oh, Sophie's Choice.
Yes.
Was it Meryl Streep?
Yes. Great.
Okay. Kurt Cobain was part of what famous grunge band?
And, I love Nirvana.
Yes.
Yes. Great. This was the most visited social networking site in the U.S. according to the Huffington Post in 2006. So
I
go back.
see.
Yes.
Yes. Great.
Okay, in the
We have a
series
minute, 22
Stranger
seconds.
Things, what is Eleven's food of choice?
Pass.
Okay, it was Eggos.
Name the Netflix original series Selena Gomez is an executive producer on.
Oh, 13 Reasons Why.
Yes, okay. Name the football quarterback married to supermodel Giselle Bundchen.
Oh,
Favorite.
Tom Brady?
Yes.
Yes. What is the name of the current American Horror Story season? We're at 10, 9,
Oh,
8,
pass.
Pass.
7,
Okay, this black
6,
substance has been used recently
5,
to whiten teeth.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It was charcoal.
Liz! You did great.
You did great, Liz. You got 5 questions right. Okay,
Yay!
that means you get to pick 5 boxes. Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Which box would you like to open first?
I will start with 20 because that's when my son was born.
20. Okay, over there.
20. Okay, great. This is,
Oh, that's fun.
it's the live 24K golden fuel turmeric and collagen blend.
Ooh, oh, starting off strong.
Good for the skin.
Okay, Liz, which box is next?
12, because that's when I'm due.
Oh,
Aw.
okay. That's
Liz, you're cute, girl.
Okay,
I'm into you.
box number 12.
Oh, this is the Nectar Blue Blockers. So I believe it's like a sunglass, they brought like UV something.
Oh,
Listen,
cool.
you're gonna love them.
Very cool.
What's next?
I will do 14. That's my birthday.
14.
14.
Okay. I like that you're picking important numbers.
I
to
know,
you.
I feel like
like
that's really
good
good.
juju.
Oh my gosh, this is the FabFitFun,
that's
the
good.
everyday
That's
wireless speaker.
Yay!
You can take it with you in the bathroom when you're giving the kids a bath. You can take this in the kitchen while you're cooking your kids' food. I'm thinking a lot about your babies.
Cool. I know, right? Like, he loves music. My son loves music. He
Aw.
loves
Good.
Okay, what's next, Liz?
Let's do 11.
11.
Oh, 11's over here. Okay,
Ah.
box number 11.
This is Women Rule the
Ooh.
World liquid lipstick kit from Real Her. You gotta
I
look good.
like that.
Gotta keep it looking good. All right, wait,
That's
how
a
many?
great little set. Okay,
One
one
more?
One more box, Liz.
Okay, Liz.
What's it going to be?
4.
4.
4.
Okay, up here. Box number 4. The
Yes.
last one.
Last one, pretty in pink. This is the Stimulation Daily Microderm Scrub. Oh, Liz, this is some stuff for you and the family and some stuff just for you.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, we've come to the moment in the game when you need to make a decision. You have won 5 incredible prizes. Will you keep them all, or will you go for the mystery prize?
Okay, but before you tell us what your decision is, we want to see what the community thinks you should do. So we're going to check in over here, get some feedback.
Okay, there is lots of love from the ladies online.
Okay, Emily H says she loves your necklace.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, so cute. Susan Ogg says hello and is logging in for a mini break from work. That's so nice.
This is a good place to take a little break from work, I think.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
we have lots of viewers here who are saying to keep your prizes.
okay. But Donna Reed says go mystery.
Sandy Mack also says go mystery.
Okay, Erica Portillo says I would go with the mystery prize. Oh, people are torn. People don't know what to
It's a real
do,
half and half
Liz.
situation. Because we keep seeing people say, keep your prize, keep your prize.
Oh,
Lisa says mystery box.
Oh.
people love boxes 11 and 12. Oh boy, people are
What were
into
11
the
and 12?
11 and 12 were the the
this
mini
kit.
speaker and then
No, this
the
kit
glasses.
and the glasses.
Woo, Liz.
This is
This
a tough
is tough.
decision.
All right, hey, it's up to you though. What will it be, Liz?
I think I'm going to keep it because of the speaker and the lipstick. My niece is going to love the lipstick and also the microderm. I really love microderm.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh my God!
Okay, congrats.
Congratulations, Liz. Thanks so much for playing.
We're just
We just got to reveal what's in the mystery box really quickly.
Tell me what it is. I do love popcorn,
It's
though.
popcorn.
She goes, I do love popcorn though. I get it, but not as much as these
Liz,
prizes.
you got too many
am I
good
right?
stuff. You got all the good stuff. Oh, well, guess what, everyone?
You made the right choice.
You definitely did. You guys, this is so exciting. What can I say? The fun has only just begun. Everyone stick around because there are more chances to win later, right, Sarah?
That's right, you guys.